Okay, different part of the garden today, down by the pond as you can see. And got the Bug 3, and I've got a 3 cell on it. I'm just going to give it a quick go. Taking all the weight off it, so I haven't got that. Hopefully that judder won't appear. But I'm not convinced it won't, but we'll see how we get on with it. So there we go. Just want to see how quick we could be going. Yeah, it's good. It might be a bit breezy being down by the sea, obviously. So, whoa! You can hear that oscillation on it. Whoa! That's not a happy little bunny, is it? No, that's no good at all. Tell you what, those LEDs still work. Oh no, it's a real shame. It just will not handle the 3 cell. I've seen other people with it, but gee whiz, it kicks out nicely, but it's certainly oscillating. If you keep the power on a bit, it just seems to stop, but you can hear that, surely. Whoa! This feels like it wants to flip. I daren't do it here. Just give it a bit of a kick out, but oh no, you can hear that pulsing away. Whoa! You can actually see it. Let's see it kick out. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty cool. But I can hear it oscillating now. It's smart though. Cool stuff. I'm not used to having so much room. This is great. He's quite flippy actually. Quite good fun. I actually got to flick it over and swap it over onto the 2 cell just to see what it feels like. I took the cage off just purely so I could just whack a 3 cell on actually, and all I've done is just elastic band it on. There's no need for anything else, to be honest. Whoops. Make sure you don't put your quad or your batteries down in sand. It's just literally slide it down underneath. There we go. I put a little bit of this sort of rubbery stuff. It just stops it sliding around. Plastic on plastic tends to sort of move a bit. And I use this sort of grippy stuff. We use it in the motorhome a lot, but it actually will not move. There you go. It will not shift. And with the way this thing goes, it's probably just as well. That's cool. I don't feel hot. Oh, wow, that's different. Very lethargic. It's still good fun though. Yeah, that's a full pelt. Nothing like. God, there's a huge difference in the 2 and 3 cell. God, it's like running with 2 cylinders down or something or other on your car. Just feels nothing. It's actually huge difference as well. There's no oscillation and you can't hear that when she comes flying through either, so sure. Taking off the Pratt & Whitney sound. Go on, listen to it. Absolutely nothing. I'll do the kick out again like we did before with the other one. So go 3, 2, 1.
It's still pretty good though. I still love this quad. It's excellent.
It sort of does a bit of everything. And the fact I lob all the cameras on it and it still keeps going. This just wants to make you fly slower though, actually, to be honest. It's 2-cell. Oh, I forgot, don't kill the motors when you do that. Nice flights.